Meeting girls in college should be an enjoyable experience, not a stressful one. To expand your social circle and make new female friends, consider joining a class, attending college events, or engaging in activities outside of school. When approaching a girl, it's best to establish a connection before or after class by asking her questions related to the class or her major. Joining co-ed clubs or intramural sports is also a great way to find girls with similar interests. Introduce yourself to girls during lunch or group projects and use these opportunities to form friendships and potentially ask them out. Another effective way to meet new girls is through mutual friends or by attending local events like open mic nights. Additionally, consider using dating apps like Tinder, OkCupid, and Bumble, where you can set filters to find college-age girls. When using dating apps, create a genuine and complete profile and browse through profiles to find girls you're interested in. When messaging them, show interest in their profiles and suggest specific activities to do together. It's important to be confident and relaxed when approaching girls, and making eye contact and smiling before initiating a conversation can help establish a positive connection. Remember to avoid offensive or rude behavior, and if someone seems uninterested or uncomfortable, it's best to move on and try talking to someone else.